how much should you actually spend on a table saw fence? It's a tough call, right? Some people are thrilled with the cheap ones, while others are returning the pricier options. The truth is, price doesn't always equal quality.
Product number 1, Going Make Compact Miter Gauge. The Going Make Compact Table Saw Miter Gauge caught my eye right away, especially with its price at $49.99. If you want accurate and repeatable cuts without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. This miter gauge is designed for precise woodworking cuts, featuring 11 positive angle stops ranging from -60 to 60. This means you can easily set it up for standard angles like 90 and 45, plus some less common angles, which is great if you're looking to tackle various projects. Plus, the clear laser scales help ensure your cuts are accurate. Given that over 400 units were bought in the last month, it seems like others agree on its value. Now, some users have mentioned the setup being a bit tricky initially. Here's the thing though, once you get it dialed in, it holds those angles securely, making it worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you're into woodworking and need a reliable miter gauge without overspending. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra simple to use right out of the box, but for the price, the quality is impressive.
Product number 2, PowerTech Universal Tandem Featherboards, priced at just $28.99. If safety and precision cuts are what you're after, this might be right up your alley. These featherboards come with everything you need for secure stock feeding, which helps reduce kickback, a real danger when using power tools. With the included T-bolts and miter slot brackets, you can quickly mount them on various tools like table saws and router tables. The versatility is huge, letting you customize your setup based on your project needs. Plus, they're color-coded for easy adjustments. On the downside, some users felt the plastic material could be more durable. But honestly, as long as you're not putting excessive force on them, they hold up well and do their job effectively. This is perfect for you if you're someone who values safety and precision in your woodworking. Skip this if you're looking for a heavy-duty option, but for the price, this is a steal.
Product number 3, the Hedgehog Featherboard. The Hedgehog Featherboard comes in at $34.99 and offers a unique twist with its one-handed operation. If you want to streamline your workflow, this could be the right choice for you. The standout feature here is the single knob adjustment, which means you can make quick changes without fussing around with multiple dials. This is really beneficial if you're moving quickly between cuts. Moreover, its spiral design helps reduce kickback, so you can focus on making those smooth, clean cuts. With over 300 units sold recently, it's clearly resonating with woodworkers. However, some users did mention that it may not fit all table types perfectly. But here's the thing, if you're mainly working with standard models, it will likely serve you well. This is perfect for you if you're a hobbyist or beginner looking for ease of use and safety combined. Skip it if you need something designed for heavy-duty industrial use, but for the cost, this one's a winner.
Product number 4, Going Make Table Saw Miter Gauge. The Going Make Table Saw Miter Gauge packs in some serious features. If you're looking for precision, this one's worth considering. With a micro-adjustable flip stop and 13 positive angle stops, it allows for incredibly accurate cuts, down to 0.001 inches. If you want to make flawless crosscuts and miter cuts, this gauge simplifies the process. The 18-inch extruded fence with both inch and millimeter scales makes it easy for you to get the exact length you need without measuring multiple times. Plus, the adjustable miter bars fit most table saws. However, I did notice some users reported that it might feel a bit bulky for smaller projects. But honestly, the accuracy and ease of adjustments outweigh that concern for most serious woodworkers. This is perfect for you if you're deeply into woodworking and require high accuracy in cuts. Skip it if you need something compact and lightweight, but the value you get here is solid.
Product number 5, Milescraft 4009 Fence Clamps. The Milescraft 4009 fence clamps, which come in at a bargain price of $13.99. If you need reliable holding power, these clamps are definitely worth a look. These clamps are universal, designed to fit into a 3/8-inch hole, making them versatile for various applications, whether you're using them for stop blocks or sacrificial fences. They have a solid range of travel from 1/2 inch to 5 3/4 inches, which means they can accommodate different projects easily. The lightweight aluminum construction keeps them easy to handle while still being rugged enough for regular use. Some users did mention that the clamping force could feel a bit weak compared to heavier duty options. But here's the thing, for the price, they do the job well for most home projects. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast looking for budget-friendly solutions. Skip these if you need heavy-duty clamps for professional work, but for everyday use, they're fantastic.
We've seen some solid options today. The Going Make Compact Miter Gauge for precision, the PowerTech featherboards for safety, the Hedgehog for ease of use, the Going Make Table Saw Miter Gauge for serious accuracy, and the Milescraft clamp for budget-friendly versatility. Each serves unique needs, so pick one that fits your woodworking style best.